Enthu.AI empowers you with customized Power BI reports. Accessing your custom reports is simple. Just click the Customized Power BI Reports button. Here are some demo reports. These are fully customizable according to your requirements. A quick snapshot of your performance dashboard and QA dashboard. And here's the best part. You can filter data by team, agent name, and date range, ensuring you always see the insights that matter most. Also, let me show you the other demo reports. Agent and team dashboards. Next, drill down into individual and team performance. Identify top agents and areas needing improvement. Theme and moments report. Also, uncover key trends and pivotal moments in conversations. Team and agent moment. Comparison. Compare performance across agents and teams for targeted insights. Week-on-week and month-on-month reports. Track your performance trends over time for smarter decisions. Call count report. Stay on top of call volumes and monitor your metrics. Overall conversation report. Finally, dive deep into agent-customer interactions for actionable insights. Why settle for one-size-fits-all reports when you can have insights built just for your business? Want customized Power BI reports for your business? Book a demo today and see how we can transform your insights into action.